Hi, in this video, I am going to show how you can use a live personalizer for your custom products in Shopify using Wow Custom Product Options app. Let's say you are selling customizable mug items on your Shopify store. You want your customers to customize the mug in their own way, like changing the mug color, adding custom photos, and they want to check their customizations or changes live like this. Let's check how you can do it using Wow Custom Product Options. First, go to the app and open your option set that you've created already. If you need any help with how to create your product option or how to create your option set, please watch this short video. Now, at first you want to make a personalizer of the image swatches so that you can give the options of changing the mug colors to your customers. Click on this edit option, click on Live Personalizer, enable it. Here you can see the section of Default Preview Option Value, where you can set the value or image of each option that you created. This is the option value that you created from option sets, and these are the images or the colors that you will show to the customer while changing the colors. You can change the image height and weight from here. You can link or unlink height weight here, and change it your own way too. Then you can set the image size mode and also set the opacity of the image from here. By position X and Y, you can move the position of the image horizontally or vertically. There are also two options here. 1. Enable print area. 2. Allow customers to do multiple options like change the position of that specific image or icon, resize and rotate. We can understand the print area feature easily from this shape option set. Here you can set the printable area where you can set the specific area inside where the customer can do their customization or change the position or keep the option. You can set the full height and weight. Also, you can set the default position that your customer will see. You can also select the shape of the upload image or icon option from here. After doing everything, do not forget to save your work. And another most important feature, out to the fields that are changing live. Like this text, which is changing live also with the colors. Here we have an option of setting custom text to the mug. After setting the texts and colors in the option set, you need to come to the source and link this fields to this specific options so that your customers can see the changes live. So here is the text input option, here is the text colors, and now we will link it to each other. Go to the edit option, click on Live Personalizer, enable it, go to the linked fields and link color picker. So from now the text color will change live when your customer will change the text color. This is how you can set the Live Personalizer for your product. If you need any sort of assistance using it, just send us a message and you will get the best solution in a quick time.